This is not necessarily anything else, so we have a designated space for boxes if you need to throw boxes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because for instance, if I order something big, like like a bed, and I have large boxes, I
Yeah,
put it
just
there.
break them down. We have a designated place for you to bring them. Yeah.
Okay. So this is model 1 bedroom.
It's our model 1 bedroom. This is the one that the floor plan that I gave you. So.
And all those windows, I can't open them, right? They are like...
Correct. Yes, the only way you're able to open it, anything like that, is through the balcony. Oh, you just gotta twist the lock to the far right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, watch yourself.
In all the apartments, do they face just 2 sides or?
So we have this location when it comes to the west and city views, or your view would be actually, or you have this side or the lakeside view. It just really depends on our availability, and because in the same direction as our lakeside view is also the same direction as our parking garage. So if you're below the 8th floor to 9th floor on the lakeside, your view will only be of that parking garage.
Okay. So it's really close, yeah?
Yeah,
it blocks everything.
We're really close to the parking garage, but if you're above it, then you get a lakeside view from there. So if you notice some 1 bedrooms on the lower end, if it's on the lakeside, if they're on the lower floors, you might see a price drop on some of those units compared to others that are higher up.
Okay. And this is... Yeah, so you do all the maintenance here about this water heater.
Yeah, when it comes to your AC and if it needs to be serviced or anything like that, and if there's issues there, we have maintenance that helps with that.
And there are no ACs whatsoever. AC, I mean fans.
No,
only AC.
Yeah, correct. Only centralized there.
Okay.
So we don't offer any internet or cable package up before.
Yeah, I'm just learning the options. So this is cable outlet for Spectrum, and you have...
Yeah, so we have, well, those are 2 points of access if you needed to use either side. So, I mean, if I'm not mistaken, one of the closets actually right here actually has the fiber off right here.
Okay.
So they have already built in, so they just come and hook it up for you, and you'll get the best internet.
But I set up my contract on my own, right?
Correct. Yes.
So, and all the bedrooms have
All the
carpet?
bedrooms and closet spaces have the carpet in it. Yeah.
No matter which floor.
Correct.
Because I know sometimes they, if it's like a 3-4 story buildings, they provide all wooden floor everywhere, but only the first floor.
So only our studios would offer no carpet. That's the only, exposed concrete ceilings. Some people like it. Some people.
Yeah, it's some kind of like a loft style, right?
It's a unique look to it. We have also a washer and dryer in every apartment.
In every apartment, no hookups, just...
Yep, full size showing right like that. It's the same in every apartment. Okay. And then you got, obviously, your kitchen setup may be a little bit different.
Yeah.
Depending if you have a full-size kitchen like this or like an island, for example, it depends on the floor plan that offers it.
So if it's like a smaller apartments, they have like the kitchen and small island.
Right, so you'll have like maybe like a smaller countertop space, like showing like maybe up against the wall here, maybe with a little bit cut off there with a full island separated. So there are some floor plans that would offer something like that. All the appliances are the same in every single apartment. You're not going to find anything different. This particular bathroom has a standing shower, which you'll find in most of our 1 bedrooms. And then the other bathroom in the other room has a bathtub, which you'll find mostly in our studios. The 2 bedrooms here offer 1 for each, which is nice.
Yeah, and all the apartments have balconies or.
Correct. At least one balcony would be in each apartment.
Mm-hmm. And they're not screened, it's just simple balconies.
Correct.
Mhm. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And this is like the middle of downtown Orlando,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
So this is the pool. It has a infinity pool, goes up to 9 feet deep.
Mhm.
So it shows the south side view. So I'll be here if you have any other questions.
Okay. And this is like sunrise to sunset?
So up to 10 feet.
Okay.